Here is new trending app. It's called Rino, Men's Sexual Meditation, Mindfulness, and Healthy Sex Life. So this app recently going viral on TikTok, is going through the charts. And here you can see how it looks like. It's basically like a library of meditation for men, where you can just follow the voice and then track your feelings and progress, and easy, healthy, and pleasant, fully anonymous, no registration needed. So this is the app. It's called like Boost Bedroom Performance with Unique Sexual Meditation for Men. You can see, a lot of young men these days struggle with like stress, anxiety, emotional issues. That's true. Like this is an issue right now in all like Western societies. So these apps like that are really going high in the charts these days. Not only these apps, there are a bunch of others. So yeah, you can just see it in here, the idea of it. And some positive reviews. This is not that like super mainstream app. It's more like a niche app. Some people are a bit complaining about the voice, that this is basically kind of AI voice app. And men are confused that there are also like a male voice. And some people say that this seems a bit more like a scam. So like the use case of the app is quite needy right now, but it can be a scam. Also, some people say it's great for couples. Yeah, unfortunately, it requires iOS 18.1 or later, so I can't install it yet on my phone here. But yeah, feel free to give your suggestions. Have you tried it? Is it actually helpful, or it's more like a scam? Because this kind of apps sometimes, to be honest, they just use these catchy titles and just register, and then they collect your data, and that's it. But see, here they say fully anonymous, no registration needed. So yeah, try it out.